Every factory manager knows this feeling. Orders keep changing. Styles keep shifting. You are handling more small batches, more fabric types, and more deadlines than ever before. Managing job orders across teams feels harder each season. What if every order could flow with clarity? The cloud-based Smart Factory platform brings all your job orders together in one place. You can access it anytime, anywhere, without missing a single update. From spreading to cutting, it helps you manage every task in real time, right from your screen. You can create a new job order or import from Excel in seconds. Select the machine, dispatch the job, and the operator will see it instantly on the spreading machine. Once they tap to start, the system syncs everything in real time. From your dashboard, you can see who is operating, how many layers are done, fabric length, and even the start and finish time. No messages, no confusion, no delay. If an urgent order comes in, you can adjust your plan anytime from anywhere. And when needed, operators can also modify job details directly on the HMI of the machine. Every change syncs back to the Smart Factory platform automatically. The data stays accurate, and everyone stays on the same page. It's flexible, connected, and effortless to manage. In an age of high variety and low volume orders, precision and visibility mean everything. The Smart Factory platform helps you keep every detail on track, from the smallest fabric roll to the biggest deadline. You stay informed, your team stays aligned, production stays on rhythm. At OSHIMA, we help garment factories run smarter and smoother. If you are ready to simplify how your factory works, contact OSHIMA today and see how the Smart Factory platform can bring your workflow together.